Part 4. Listening to a news item. You will hear a news item only once. It will be about 1.5 minutes. After the audio, 5 questions will appear. Choose the best way to complete each statement from the drop-down menu.
Good evening. In the city of Halifax, a small community garden is making a big difference. The North End Community Garden, located near the city center, has been a popular spot for neighbors to grow their own fresh vegetables for over a decade. The garden provides a place for people, especially those living in apartments without their own yards, to connect with nature and their food. Last year, the garden faced a major challenge. It was so popular that there was no more space for new members. A long waiting list meant that many families couldn't join. The garden's organizers wanted to help more people, but they couldn't find any extra land nearby. They needed a creative solution to their space problem. That's when they discovered vertical gardening. The group decided to install 20 tall, white towers in the middle of the garden. Each tower has small pockets on the sides where plants can grow, one on top of the other. This innovative system allows them to grow plants upwards instead of outwards. The towers are perfect for growing things like lettuce, strawberries, and herbs. The project has been a huge success. The garden can now support 30 new families from the waiting list. The community reports that the garden is thriving, with more variety and more people participating than ever before. Organizers hope their success will inspire other community gardens across the country.